Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
We got pinto beans. Oh no. We've got lard. Oh my goodness. We've got some onion. Salt and water. Mike Foster here. Today it's simple refried beans. And you talk about simple. All it takes is those ingredients, just a few of them. And I won't say it's fast because it takes a few hours, but this is a simple way. This is my refried bean recipe, and I'm going to tell you, I can't wait for it. So I'll meet you at the stove, put this baby together. This is 1 pound of pinto beans that have been soaked in cold water, and then you take 2 cups of water, just like that, and you put this baby on. So we're going to bring this to a boil, and after that I'll show you what we do next. Holy free holy, these guys are coming to a boil. Now they're at the boil. I'm going to reduce this to medium, and I'm going to cover it. Keep it this way. It's going to take a couple hours for these to cook. I'll check them again in about an hour. We'll see you then. All right, this has been an hour. These are simmering. Keep checking it. Make sure though there's enough water in here as we simmer these out. Give them another hour. Go from there. All right, it's been a couple hours. This is what it looks like. I'm going to save all this water to do what I'm going to do next, to make these refried beans. See, they're nice and soft right now. You want about a couple hours. You want them soft, not chewy. And you're going to save this water to make these into killer, easy refried beans. So what we have here is the same pot, and now we're going to use the lard. 1 tablespoon of lard, 2 tablespoons of lard. Now people think that lard is unhealthy for you. Well, it is reduced pork fat, manteca, if you want to say it in Spanish. But it's actually, it's not great for you, but it's not hideous for you. So, got the lardo going. This is on medium. Let the lard heat up. Let's put about 1/4 to 1/2 of onion, really finely diced, like this. Put that baby down. We're going to cook these down, medium, till they're translucent, a couple minutes. It's really a simple recipe, like I said, but boy, these beans are going to taste good. One of my favorite things I love in the world is refried beans. Okay, these onions are ready. Now we're going to add those beans that we cooked down for 2 hours, just like that. They've been drained, but we're going to add some of the liquid back in, about that much. Monitor this liquid on how much we need to put in to keep it moist, not too moist and not too dry. Now it's just a matter of time. A little salt for taste, and let's just mix this baby in. And be patient. It's going to take a little while, and it's going to turn into refried beans. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. Now you can see if it's cooking too fast, reduce. And you can see a lot of the liquid is evaporating. That's why you have this that you saved. Just put just a little in there. You're going to monitor this. This is just going to be a little more involved. You can't just walk away and let it boil. You're just going to sit here and keep working this until it becomes the texture that you like for refried beans. I love refried beans. So be patient. Patience is a virtue with everything in life. Let's just keep folding it in. It's starting to look like refried beans, believe it or not. I'm not adding any more liquid right now. I want to see how this solidifies. I got it on low. Just try a little tasty. So I'm going to do this taste to see if it needs any more salt, but also for the texture. I don't think it needs any more salt. And the texture is just really good as long as I get this a little more down. I'll see you in a few. Might be the sweet bamboo, I don't know, we'll see. I mean, that's refried beans right there, isn't it, guys? I don't think I need to add any more. There's your refried beans. Simple and easy. Meet you at the counter for the taste test. Sweet bamboo. There are those refried beans. So simple to make. Let's see how they taste. Oh, there they are. Let's have a bite. These are perfect. These are creamy, beany. Oh, little salt. Very simple. You can barely taste those onions. Awesome. check these out. I'm going to make some recipes out of these babies. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365, my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time. Peace. Awesome.
Live life 365.
That's what I'm talking about. Well, now Mike's finally making them. Another minute or two. That's what she said a while ago. Not parsley, sage, rosemary and thyme, but cooking clock time. Those are gorgeous. Only one thing better would be the sweet pepper with some wine. Hello. Ah, those are good. Now I gotta go watch football.